What did he say? John says he's about to blow this rut, dude. 350 pounds on a stock KLX 110.
Gas?
I don't know. Did it quit?
What just happened?
Well, since you're lazy, when you knocked that tree over, you left about 8 inches of it sticking up out of the ground. And I hit it and bent my brake lever all the way back behind my brakes. So now I have a heel brake.
So it's just like a Harley.
Yeah, it's a Cody Smith version. Heel brake.
What about these nasty ruts through here?
They're nasty, alright.
Well, unfortunately, I guess that cuts it short.
I guess I'll take the garage and there's the motor now.
Alright, well, you heard it here first.
What did he say?
I feel like it feels sick.
You've been complaining for like 4 hours. Talking about. I ain't even heard since like 9 o'clock.
Wow, dude.
I need enough of cheeks. I'm starving.
Well, whenever we got back to the truck, I had a whole bag of sour candy. And I chugged a monster and my stomach hurts.
Dude, that is not good for you, man.
No.
God.
And then Amber told me about her car wreck.
Oh yeah, let's hear about that.